Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a quick and easy turkey sandwich, but it's protein packed and full of flavor. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is putting this homemade cilantro aioli, which is literally just chopped cilantro and mayo, on my bread. The next thing I'm going to add is my sliced avocado. Right after that, I'm going to throw on some pepper jack cheese. And then after that, I'm going to lay my sliced peppercorn turkey. This is some good turkey, y'all. I'm going to put that on my bread. Then I'm going to put some jalapeños on there. I'm going to put my nice crispy bacon on top. And literally that's it for this sandwich. I'm going to put my top bun with that cheese and that mayo on there. I'm going to put them together and then I'm going to cut them in half. This is the quickest, easiest sandwich, but it's so good. Make sure you check the description box for everything down below. Look at that. Don't that look good? I know, right? Yeah, so make sure you check the description box for everything that you're going to need to make this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.